Hi there, this is Obed Ayala, and the purpose of this video is to explain to you the process to create a multiple choice exam in Excel, and I hope to be clear enough in order for you to understand. So let's get started. The first thing you have to do is to open up Excel. Once you are here, you have to type the questions and the options or responses if you wish. Ocean, ocean currents are responsible for space around the planet Earth. Enter, and here you start typing the options. Letter A, to move the water. Letter B, the movement of water. Letter C, the water is moving. Letter D, which is the last one, have moved water. Notice that the cell is not enough for the text. So what to do? You have to place exactly here between the column B and the column C and double click. And now the space or the cell is as wide as the text. So once you have that, you insert the formula. Actually, there are two ways to do this. You can do it by using the function argument dialog box or manually. In this case, I will do it manually because I think that's the way that works for me. Easier. So you place here, leaving this cell, remember that, type equal, type function if, parenthesis. Now type or select the cell C1 equal again, quotation marks. Here you're going to type the letter of the option that is correct. In this case it's letter B, the movement of water. Type it, quotation marks, comma, quotation marks again, and here you're going to insert or type the phrase that students are going to see if they type the correct answer, okay? You're awesome. Then, comma, you insert if function again, parenthesis, and here you select the cell C1 again, equal, quotation marks, and here you're going to type one of the letters of the options that is incorrect. So if we say that letter B is correct, A, C, and D are incorrect. So we are going to type letter A, comma, quotation marks, and here, as we did here, we are going to type the phrase that students are going to see if they make a mistake. Okay? Oops. And you have to type this phrase twice in order to automatically know that all the rest of the options are incorrect except letter B. Then close with the parenthesis. And something you have to keep in mind here is that when typing this formula, you don't have to use spaces. You don't have to make you don't have to separate by using spaces here, right? And also in some computers you're going to use semicolons instead of commas. Okay, it depends on the operating system you have. So once you have that, the formula, you check it if everything is correct, and you click on Enter. Notice that we get oops here because we don't have any option selected here, right? But if we type letter B, which is the correct answer, we will get this. And the same happens with the rest of the letter C, error, D, error, A, errors, and letter B, correct. Then we have to, this is optional, but it will facilitate the way you're working with this. So if you wish, you can change background color. You select the cell and go to here and select the color you want. This one for this, and this one for that. As I said, it's optional to do this, but it facilitates the way you're working, because if you have um, more items, it's gonna be easier for you to identify the cells you have to unlock. Okay, so once you have the colors and all that, you need to unlock the option cell, because remember that this option or this cell is going to be used by students because they are going to type the option they consider it's the correct answer. Okay, so in order to do that, you go to number, click on here, and here click protection, and you can see that the cell is locked, and you don't need the cell to be locked. Okay, so you unlock it and click on OK. Okay, and this process has to be done with all the the option cells, okay? Because remember that students are going to type the letter of the option or the response they consider it's the correct, okay? Once you have this, I'm going to show you the quiz that is already finished in order for you to see how it will look later here. So basically this is what you're going to get. I have, as you can see, I have 10 items with their own options, and I've done all the process, the formulas, and uh, I've unlocked these cells, which are the option cells, and also I've added this one is unlocked too, because as you can see it says type your name here. That means that students are going to type their names in this cell, okay? So the last step is to protect the sheet. In order to do this, you have to make sure that the option cells, which are these ones, are unlocked, and this one is unlocked too, okay? Once you're sure of this, you have to select all the text in this part. You can do it from this part, click, and then you have to go to review and select the option that says protect sheet. Select it, and here you get this. It says you're asked to enter a password to unlock the sheet, and also you can see here that says allow all users of this worksheet to and here you have some options. So the ones you need is this one. Select the unlocked cells. So if you already clicked here, you just enter your password. Here you're asked to re-enter the password to proceed again. So you just type the same password and then click on OK. And you can see here that there is no way to edit or to type in this document except this and these ones, okay? These ones. So this is basically what you can do in Excel. So I think it's easy to do this, and it's really useful for teachers because we as teachers uh, have to know or have to have different sources to get or to do exams, and this one is really useful. So this is basically what I have for you today. Thanks very much for watching this video. I hope you've learned, because that's the main or the most important thing here. So thanks, see you then.